Hello and a very warm welcome to you all. Welcome to this session, Data Structure Introduction. My name is Pranshi Verma. I will be your instructor in this session. So now, without wasting a moment, let us get started today's session. Firstly, we will see definition of data structure. Guys, data structure is the representation of the logical relationship existing between individual elements of data. In other words, the data structure is a way of organizing all data items that considered not only the elements stored but also their relationship to each other. This is the basic definition of data structure. Mainly, data structure specifies organization of data, how to organize data, accessing methods in a huge data set, and degree of associativity and processing alternatives for information. The data structure are the building blocks of a program, and hence the selection of a particular data structure stresses on mainly two things. First one, the data structure must be rich enough in a structure to reflect the relationship existing between the data. And second one is the structure should be simple so that we can process data effectively whenever it's required. And mathematically, algorithm plus data structure is equal to program. What is program? In mathematically, we can represent is algorithm plus data structure. It's lead to be a program. So finally, we can also define the data structure as the logical and mathematical model of a particular organization of data. So this is all about data structure definition. Now let's move to types of data structure. Data structure can be broadly classified into two categories, that is linear data structure and second one non-linear data structure. Linear data structure include array, queue and stack. Non-linear data structure includes tree, graph, tables and sets data structure. Now let's talk about linear data structure. In linear type of data structure, values are arranged in a linear fashion. For example, array, linked list, stacks and queues are the example of linear data structure. Okay, and in these type of data structure, value are stored in a sequence. Now, second one is non-linear data structure. In non-linear data structure, values are not arranged in linear fashion. Means that is just opposite to linear type of data structure. The data values in this structure are not arranged in any order. Tree, graph, tables and sets are the examples of non-linear data structure. For example, this is the structure of a tree and here values are not stored in any order. Okay, now operations performed in data structure. So guys, these are the operations performed by a data structure. Generally it's include traversing, second one insertion of data, third one deletion, fourth one merging, fifth one sorting and sixth one searching. These are the general operations performed in data structure. Okay guys, we will discuss all the operations and all the data structures in detail in upcoming lectures. That's all for today's session. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.